Thank you very much. Next is the European Union of Jewish Students.
Madam President, there is a genocide being committed against my people. My name is Abdulxukur Abdurixit. I am an Uyghur speaking on behalf of the European Union of Jewish Students. My family is held hostage in Chinese concentration camp. My brother is forced to assemble phone chargers as a slave labor. Your charger may be among them. 3 million Uyghurs being detained in concentration camps. Imagine the population of Berlin or Chicago locked up as slaves. The genocide, including sterilization and organ harvesting. The Chinese government ban our language and burn our books. Overall, the CCP has sought to eradicate Uyghur identity, the culture. There can be no doubt that their crimes meet the definition of genocide as laid out in the UN Genocide Convention. Never again is right now. Such horrific atrocities necessitate a coordinated response from the UN and the international community. Our suffering is met with indifference by corporations who profit from our collective suffering, while most governments are turning blind eye. If anything to change, the UN acts now. Stops the indifference, stops the genocide. I, alongside with the European Union of Jewish Students, call on this Council to assign special rapporteur to my region to present a clear body of evidence to the international community and stop the genocide, stop the Uyghur culture before it's too late. Thank you.
Thank you very much.